everyone, it's Stephanie here with a brand new review for the My Favorite Things April kit called Rainbow Bridge. Losing a furry friend is like losing a family member, and consoling those important to you who are dealing with that grief is a kindness they won't forget. This selection of sentiments, dies, and stencils will convey your heartfelt thoughts and sympathy with a grace that can sometimes be hard to summon when we're at a loss for words. Rainbow Bridge Goodbyes is a must-have set for emphasizing that they had each other and will remain a cherished part of their heart and memories for a lifetime. The Paw Print Stamp features tracks positioned to span the gap between two color stripes of the Rainbow Bridge dynamics, symbolic of the transition. Many people take comfort in the promise of relief the idea of the Rainbow Bridge provides, and this die set will allow you to craft that promise in a tangible form the recipient will treasure. This die set provides the ability to deliver a message of sympathy for the loss of a beloved pet. Simple silhouettes represent furry companions with dignity. Die cut them from black cardstock, and they are a perfect representation of the journey across the Rainbow Bridge. This pairing of a half circle and rays combine to create stunning sunrise or sunset scenes, or for emulating a heavenly glow on your sympathy and condolence cards. In addition, the rays element measures 5.5 inches wide, allowing you to span the width of a horizontal A2 card. This 3-piece stencil helps you create a tunnel effect. Each piece nestles into the next, creating a progressively smaller aperture for your blending. The smallest piece measures 3 by 2 3/4 inches, while the largest is 5.25 by 5.25 inches, making it an effective design for both A2 and square cards depending on your positioning. This essential mix of tone-on-tone paw print and stripes patterns is a must if you craft with pets in mind, to celebrate the joy they bring to our lives and honor the impact they have on all of us. Each of the 2 pattern options comes in 6 different colors. The cardstock assortment included in this month's kit includes 2 sheets of smooth white and 1 sheet each of black licorice, wild cherry, orange zest, lemon drop, limelight, cornflower, and grape jelly to complete your rainbow design. We also have some great add-ons this month that are available for purchase separately, but let's go ahead and take one more quick look at everything included in this month's kit first. So we have all of our beautiful cardstock selection. We have our Rainbow Goodbye stamp set, as well as the Rainbow Bridge dynamics. There is the Pet Silhouettes dynamics, as well as 2 stencil options, Heavenly Glow as well as Through the Clouds. And last but not least, we have the Possum Prints paper pad that features 2 each of 12 different designs. The newest free with 60 option releasing with this month's kit is Cutest Clouds Ever. Make the sky a cuter place to be with this trio of petite and puffy clouds. Their small size makes them an excellent choice for grouping up into more substantial elements or scattering across a blue expanse to represent an almost cloudless, perfect summer day. In addition to the card kit and the free with 60 dynamics, we also have a selection of products that will be available for individual purchase. There Are No Goodbyes is a set we wish we never needed, but an essential one when times are tough and the words don't come easy. Convey your compassion and sympathetic thoughts to grieving friends, family, and acquaintances with the pretty With Sympathy die. A single swooping flourish below the Y accents an otherwise clean and simple word for a subdued yet eye-catching design. The Paw Prints Dynamics is an existing die set that we wanted to share as it coordinates beautifully with this month's kit. This die features a variety of paw print designs that can be paired with other elements in the kit to create your heartfelt designs. Thank you for joining me for this quick look at the Rainbow Bridge card kit and coordinating products. All of these products will be available at My Favorite Things on April 26th at 10 a.m. Eastern. As always, I appreciate you being here for another video, and I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching.